And now this is where the validity score comes in. Around 40, 50%, we can kind of predict what this means. What about the other 50%?
Yeah.
And that's what I like about the P.A.P.I in the wheel. So it is the first tool that I've used where I can have a discussion about someone's results on one piece of paper or on a digital format where we stick with one profile. We don't go up and down and we don't go, ooh, and everything is just on one thing on one screen. And we can start talking about what this means to the person. So the P.A.P.I is designed to be two-phased. One, psychometric test, and then two, the discussion.
Okay.
And we always motivate that happens to.
We'll take a look at it a little bit later on. What I liked about the coaching document that you had, there's no automatic assumptions of what the score means. There's always two sides to the coin. Okay, you can be, for example, totally role focused, but it could also mean could have the negative question: Are you a workaholic? Do you have no life balance? Or are you just in a phase where that's required of you, and you have work-life balance, or you have life balance, but so there's always and what I like about the coaching model is that it forces the person interviewing or coaching the person to ask those questions. How would you interpret this? What's your justification, right? I did want to give you an example because I'll hold this into the camera. You get, when you take these tests, you get from Psychology, you get all sorts of different really great documents. One is the P.A.P.I 3I SL feedback form. I'll hold that into the camera, right? And when I looked at it, I said, I have to read this because I'm not just going to take the test and not see what people. And I went to Impact and Drive and I highlighted this. And it said here, which I started laughing, he may not see himself as a natural leader. Okay. The second part of the paragraph, he has described himself as having a very low desire for recognition from others or to draw attention to himself. When working in a group, he's likely to contribute only when he feels that he has something valuable to offer. And I started laughing because that is absolutely not me.
Is that the Ipsative report?
That's the Ipsative report. But hold on, let me back it up. And then I took the nominative thing, and in the same segment, it said exactly this. He said, responses indicate he is likely to be a very confident and effective leader, and he's very likely to feel comfortable when taking formal management roles and may also take the lead in informal situations. He may, in fact, believe that he's a natural leader. I like the fact that you use the word believe. And I said, now that's me. So some people might say, yeah, but Mark, aren't you proving that this model has a flaw? I don't think so, but you're the expert. Why would the I say one and the N say something else? Yeah. Okay, hold on. Stop sharing. We want to see you more. There we go. There we go. Go ahead. Should I ask the question again?
No.